So we are most welcome again to Table Talks. In today's video, we are going to look at one of the tools in Microsoft Excel. That is the font. The font name. The font name is a group of tools in Microsoft Excel under the Home tab. So in that, we are going to look at the font name. We shall also look at the something to do with bold. We shall see something to do with italic. We shall also look at the underline. Then we shall look at the font size. After, we shall look at the border. Then we shall look at the colors. We shall also look at the alignment, and then we shall look at the indent, and then we shall look at the text direction. And then finally we shall look at the theme color, the theme colors. So all these are within, all these are within the font. I put alignment. Alignment is a group on its own. So alignment and indent, we shall tackle that one on another video. So for now, we want to look at the font only. So to do that one, I'm going to create a new worksheet. I go to File, then select New. Then I go to a blank book. Then I have to, let me increase the size of this. So here, I'm going to select one of the cells. That is the cell D5. So after that, I'm going to type some keywords, some words. I will put there Table Talks. Is a good platform. Say Table Talks is a good platform. So when you look at this words, I have there are 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5 words that make up a sentence which says Table Talks is a good platform. So if I want to format them with this, first of all, you have to highlight. You have to highlight all these words. Start from the first column of the first word, which is column D. As you can see here, the first column is in D, and then the last column is, the last word is in the column F. And then from there, highlight. You press the cursor and move the other side. Then from after highlighting, then go and tap on the font name. Then from there you see a list of the font names. You can also adjust and get many of them. Like you see, scroll down. All these are what you call the font name. All these are the font name which are available in Microsoft Excel. So you can move up. The most common one we use like Calibri, we use Arial, we use Times Roman. So for example, we can use Arial for now. So now I have the font name Arial, and then I can go ahead and also use the bold. Right now, bold is like making the content strong. Then italic is slanting. Like right now, they are straight. The characters are straight. So if you want to make them italic, you click on I. As you can see now, the values will be, the characters are now like slanting. Let me try to increase. Let me try to increase the size. So now you can see they are slanting. That is when we use the tool for italic. So if you want to underline, go ahead and tap on U. That is for underlining. And we have types of underline. As you see, we have a single underline and double underline. When I select double underline, you get 2 lines, but you can use a single underline if you want. Then after, you can increase the size. Go to the font size. By default it's 11, but it goes up to 72. And when you use these 2 A's, the first one, the first capital A with an arrow going up is increasing the font size. Then the other A with an arrow showing down is decreasing. So for example, for now you can use 20. So the 20 size, this is how it will take, or how it will expand the characters. But you can also use this one, like you can use that to increase the font size. So you can tap on that. You see, this will increase up to 72, and then this one will decrease the font, increasing, decreasing. This is increasing, like this line now. This is font size 24. If I want to put the border, we have borders, top border, lefty, lighty, then we have all border. So maybe I can use all border. Then that's how it will be. Then I can also go ahead and put the color, film color. Can use that. So as you can see, so I have to let me highlight each and everything, because after increasing the size, it affected the more columns. That's why it was only showing this. So I have to go and select the color. Maybe I want to use, all these are the colors. You see, when I move on top of these colors, you can choose whatever color you want. Maybe I want this. So you can see that's the color. That's the color, like the shading color, the color which, even if I remove the highlight, so this color will affect the background of the text. Like to have to shade all the cells where these values are. But if I want to change the color of the content, so you have to highlight the whole content, then you go to this capital A with the color red, click on that, then you choose the color. For example, I want red, so click on red. So now you can see I have the color red and the content inside. The real content, the color is red, but the background color is something like green, light green. So guys, I think generally that's how we can do with that. We've said we've learned how to do with the font name, size, the font size. We've seen how to come up with the border, and then we've seen how to put the colors. So all these are the ways we can format our document or our content in Microsoft Excel. So in the next video, we shall try to look at something to do with alignment, and then alignment which involves the text alignment, text direction, indent, and then the wrap test and merge and center, so that we can also add it to this tool, plus the clipboard which involves cut, copy, and paste. Once you get all this, it becomes easy. We're gonna get started with Microsoft Excel, and the life becomes easy. If you have any question to do with these videos we are making, feel free to ask. You can send us a message direct via our website, tebtalks.com. We shall be able and we shall be available to support you. Otherwise, let's see you guys in the next video. Thank you. We love you so much for watching. Thank you.